One of the most effective ways to protect your data against ransomware is to back it up to an off-premises location with immutable storage. Arcserve Cloud Resilient Storage is a simple, integrated way to back up data to immutable cloud storage, protecting your most valuable data from ransomware attack. First, purchase the terabyte volume of Arcserve Cloud Resilient Storage that fits your needs. Then, use the activation email to obtain account keys from the Arcserve Cloud Storage portal. Using the Arcserve UDP Cloud Console, create an Arcserve Cloud Storage account with these new account keys. Now, start creating Cloud Resilient data stores. From the Recovery Point server page, click on the RPS and select the Add Arcserve Cloud Resilient Data Store option. This takes you to the familiar data store creation dialog. Everything here works like your usual UDP interface, except now there's one additional option, Cloud Resilient Storage. First, select the cloud region you want to use, choosing from 9 different regions. Each data store can be associated with its own region. You can select 2 types of retention policies to suit your regulatory requirements, governance mode or compliance mode. Here we are selecting governance mode. Then, schedule periodic immutable data store snapshots along with their retention period. In this example, we have daily snapshots kept for 7 days and weekly snapshots kept for 4 weeks. Each time a data store snapshot is taken, an index of the objects that presently make up the data store is created. The objects are locked in for the duration you specify here. That's it. All cloud settings that are necessary for optimal operation are properly configured and saved for you. Everything is managed within the Arcserve interface. You can now start using this data store as a backup or replication destination. Any data written to this data store will be protected according to the cyber resilient settings we just configured, including encryption, deduplication, and compression. After a few days, you will see immutable data store snapshots stacking up. You can right-click on a listed immutable data store to choose to view available snapshots for that data store. When a snapshot retention expires, it is deleted automatically along with the appropriate cloud storage objects. You can import any of the snapshots as a read-only data store for restoration purposes. Here we are importing one snapshot. Once import is completed, this will be visible in the list of data stores where we can perform restore operations. It is this simple. Backup data written to this data store is now stored in the cloud with immutability enabled. You still have all the UDP storage optimization benefits like deduplication and compression. Restores are simple too. From this same snapshots view, you can import an immutable snapshot for restore. The data store appears in the data stores page as a read-only data store. From here, the standard UDP recovery options are available, including the file folder restore, BMR, and recover to VM. This is a tailor-made experience for the people who manage data protection. Adopt Arcserve Resilient Storage and be ready to bounce back from ransomware attacks with consistent, immutable backups managed from a single intuitive interface. Learn more at arcserve.com.